Right, so question 5. So in this case, for my pressure vessel, I got myself some masking tape, probably cheap quality masking tape, and I put some masking tape on the outer edge and see what I could observe this time. Now, when I did previous tests, I got it to split along the tube. But what do you think happened in the Lectorial? Once you've decided, so previous tests worked fine, split along the tube. You could see it grow in about 3-4 seconds, maybe a bit longer actually, not more than 10 though. So what happened in the Lectorial? Okay, brief prick, yeah, and it burst. It shouldn't have done. It should have nicely grew. Never mind. I don't know what that proves. So maybe I need to try more expensive packing tape. I think I used a different brand than my previous test.